So today we are going to see the speed control of DC motor. So we know application of DC motors, like we have a small DC motor we have. So this is used in many of the toys, like kids play with the toys, and some robotics. We can use this DC motors. It's a basically permanent magnet DC motor. So the speed control is very much important because that has to be controlled, so that variation in speed, so we need to that purpose. So this is a simple diagram of speed control of DC motor by using the potentiometer. So there is a DC power supply, it is coming fixed DC power supply. To control the DC motor, we need to have a variable power supply here to change the armature and terminal voltage. So for that we can use some potentiometer. So in potentiometer there are three terminals, two fixed terminals, one is the variable terminal. So fixed terminals connected to the fixed DC power supply, and variable terminal connected to the armature winding, and secondary other winding is connected to the negative of this one. By wearing this potentiometer, the voltage voltage will be changes. So respectively the terminal voltage of DC motor also changes, so that we can achieve the speed control, like whatever the desired. If you want to increase the speed, you just increase the voltage. If you want to decrease the speed, you just decrease the voltages. So simultaneously you will get the variation in the speed. So now we'll, by using this NI LVS kit, we can perform the experiment. So as per the circuit diagram, just take the one fixed DC power supply from the breadboard, from the given 15 volts and the ground. You can just take it out. From the output, I had taken the potentiometer here. The two fixed terminals are connected to the fixed DC voltage, and the variable, like voltage is port is connected here. From here there is a DC motor connection, terminal volt connection is going, and from there it is going to the negative port. Now we'll just start the experiment by applying the voltage. So just go to the variable supply. Now I am just here I already applying 5 volt. Just click it. Now it is 5 volts is coming here. So actually basically the rating of DC motor is 5 volts. Now you can vary from 0 to 5 volts. So you can see the rating also here. So variable DC voltage, I'm just applying, and also you can see the digital multimeter. Now just check the voltage. Now voltage is around 4.3, like 4.32 something. Now I'm just changing the voltage here by changing the potentiometer. Now voltage is 1.3 and the speed is very less. You can see the variation in the speed less. Now just increasing the voltage. Increase and decreasing by voltages. We can change the variation in the speed. So this is about the speed control of DC motor.